Hello everybody, just read by the title. Today I'll be showing you and reviewing this dashcam product. So let's go straight to the video. If you're first time here, please like and subscribe and comment down below any more videos that you would like me to make. So let's get straight to the video. This dashcam is very cheap dashcam, so I'm not sure how the quality and stuff will be, but for the purpose that it needed to be used for, I think it's a pretty good dashcam, right? So we're just gonna open and unbox the product. Cardi VR video, manufacturer Shenzhen, on there. Now we're gonna open. First we get the details on how to install it. It doesn't cover your mirror, so it's just on the side, and then on top of the windshield, up on the sides to the charging lighter box, right? Easy, the usual manual, and it should be straightforward thing, right? This is the charging for the lighter box. This should be the dash cam. And this, I'm guessing little things. Okay, let's go. Did it go there? No. Okay, we're gonna find out where that goes. Okay, with a 3M sticker to stick this into your dashcam. I'm not really sure how this will, like, if in any case in the future you want to take it out, it is gonna be long, because this sticks and it leaves residue there. So anyways, we'll find out. And then this is the main event. This is the main boss, El Jefe. Now this is the product. So basically this one has one camera that looks on the front, right? And check out the cars. It says it's a 1080p, which should be a very good quality for a dash cam, right? So it has one that looks on the front and one that looks inside the vehicle. I'm not sure if, because you can't turn it up. Oh yes, you can. Yes, maybe you can make it so you'll be able to see the cars behind you as well. That will also look pretty cool. And then you have the buttons underneath, which you can't really see properly, but here is an M, which is behind. So this is an M, this is back, forward, and this is the power button. And there's a little like mic. No, this is right. This is an iron here. And then you got it comes with an SD card already, which is pretty awesome, right? This is an 64 GB SD card. Great. And then this goes in here. Yeah, it does come with a mic, which is this, and then where you would charge this. Yeah, so this was to lock and unlock the screen, which I'm not sure. Oh, this goes on top of. So what was that for? So this goes on top of this. Yeah. Then what was this for? Then it says it on here. Push. It just says push. I don't know what it is for. I'll check it later on. So this is it. I'll show you some videos of it. You think maybe it will power on? Oh, it does power on. So I'm showing you this camera on my outside, but this is the main video, right? So let me see. If you press the M, it just takes you to the file. And then if you press the power button, it starts to record. So, okay. And if you press the front button, it starts to change the displays of the cameras, or just leave it this one. So the way you're seeing it just as I'm saying it, right? So I will take it outside and put it in a vehicle so you see how it looks on the vehicle outside. But for how it looks pretty clean to me. Now we just have to see if you read like license plates and stuff. So I will put it on there and then see if I can upload one of the videos that this will record and see how it looks. So let's get right into it. So I did get this installed in the car, which is you put, the thing on the lighter, cigarette lighter, and then you put it on there. I'll clean up how the cable will look, pass it up here and then bring it down and try to, connect it down here. So this is how it look. I will make a video of how the video looks like, and then I'll upload it onto this clips and stuff so that you guys can see if it's clear enough. It's raining. That's how the UK weather is. But yes, let's get into it. So the way this is, when I turn on the car, right, it will automatically like turn on by itself. So let's do that and see if it turns on. As you guys can see, it turns on nicely when it's connected to the car system, and then you can see the camera, and then we'll get straight into the camera on there. All right, so before, you guys couldn't hear me, but this started shooting the videos on the SD card, and I don't know if you guys can, I think you guys should be able to see clearly, right? So you can see the license plate on front, on the front, and you can also be able to see how this moves, and hopefully you can hear my voice as well. So the voice works. You can mute it and you can turn it on. So there's a I did mute it, and this is on mute, and hopefully that works as well. If you don't want to be hearing like any noises and you just want the video. So yeah, this is it. This is how it looks, and hopefully it's a good quality. I'll pass it onto the PC and see how that looks. So that's all for the testing of this. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. This was the video for the car dash cam, right? And that's all. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, beautiful people, bye.